Hello guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk about Autocad program. So firstly, as you know, Autocad have different command or more than 5 important command. So as you see, we have drawing command and the modify command, annotation, layers, block, properties, and more different commands. So firstly, we are going to begin with the basic command to the people who need to learn AutoCAD. So firstly, we are going to the drawing command. We have 7 command: line, polyline, circle, arc, rectangle. Here we have ellipse and hatching. So firstly we are going to the line, then it will ask, if I click there, it will ask me specify first point, second point, then click enter. Then if we come into the polyline, also specify first point, specify second point, specify next point, then enter. So here the person or everyone will ask me why or what is the difference between line and polyline. So we'll turn back. Now I'm going to draw in rectangle with the line and polyline, and I compare them. What is the difference between them now? Yeah, this is by using line. So using polyline, enter. So now if I select here from this line and also and select it here, I I will know what is the difference. So now select here, also you come here to select. So as you see, when I select it here, in the rectangle that I draw with the line, that also only selected one line, but here we selected all rectangle. So the line is separated between these points, but the polyline is connected between all lines, is the difference between them. So I'm going to the circle. Circle has 6 ways that you will use to draw circle. So firstly, you have center with radius, then specify center point, then specify radius. Secondly, if I using center and diameter, it will ask you specify center point, then specify diameter. Also, if I come into the circle, specify with the 2 point, specify first in point, then specify second in point. This is the way how. So if we are coming to the number 4, is a circle with the what? With the 3 point. So click here. It will ask you to specify first point, Then secondly, it specify second point. Then specify the third point here, for example. So now this circuit is drawn. Okay, and now I'm going to see here tan radius. What does that mean? That means if I have two lines, for example, like this, enter, and I have second line here, and I like to drawing circle to touching these two line. So I'm going to the tan and radius. It will ask you specify point on object for first tangent. Click here. Then second specify point on object for second tangent here. Then specify radius here. And here as you see the circle is touching two line here and here. This is tan and radius circle. So thirdly or last one is tan. That means three line that touching the circle. For example, here I have line here, line here, and line here, and for example, line here. So if you draw in tan, that means specify first point on circle here, specify second point here, specify third point here, for example. So as you see, the circle is drawing and it touching two or three line. Okay, now going to the arc. Arc also have different ways that you should use to draw arcs, like this start center in. So here specify starting point of arc and specify center point of arc. As you see, this is the way that you draw arc. So if I come to start center and angle, so specify start point and specify center point. Okay, as you see, so 2 point center. This is the way that you should use to draw this basic command. Thank you so much. In the common video, we will use uh, this command rectangle and ellipse and uh, hatching. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.